Morning, boys and girls. We're going to be reading a book about raindrops, and I want you to help me sing along because it's a book that repeats itself. It's called 5 Little Raindrops Falling from the Sky. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see. Look at the beautiful colors. 5 little raindrops falling from the sky. One splashed on a butterfly. The robin told the blue jay, and the blue jay said, "No more raindrops falling from the sky." 4 little raindrops spinning through the air. One woke up a big brown bear. Oh, he looks angry. The beaver told the rabbit, and the rabbit said, "No more raindrops spinning through the air." But 3 little raindrops swirling all around. One sank into the muddy ground. The turtle told the duckling, and the duckling said, "No more raindrops swirling all around." 2 little raindrops blowing in the breeze. One fell beneath 2 towering trees. There it is. The squirrel told the chipmunk, and the chipmunk said, what do you think he said? "No more raindrops blowing in the breeze." 1 little raindrop tumbling toward the trail bounced and twirled and landed on a snail. The beetle told the cricket, and the cricket said, "No more raindrops tumbling toward a trail." The rain kept falling. The egret took a look. 5 little raindrops trickled toward a brook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The brook kept flowing. It was like a dream. 5 little raindrops approached a sparkling stream. The stream branched off just a little sliver. 5 little raindrops headed for the river. The river's winding journey ended at the sea. 5 little raindrops as happy as can be. The sun came out. The weather's hot and dry. Lots of teeny droplets rose up to the sky. Waiting in the cloud for the next time when 5 little raindrops fall from the sky again. The end.